Once upon a time, in a small village on the island of Madeira, Portugal, a boy was born with big dreams. His name was Cristiano Ronaldo. Cristiano didn't grow up with a lot of money. His family worked hard, but they always made sure there was love and support in their home. From the moment he could walk, Ronaldo had a love for football. He kicked a ball around everywhere on the streets, in the backyard, even in his small home. As a young boy, Ronaldo would watch his heroes play football on TV. He admired the famous players, especially the ones from Brazil. He told his mom, "One day, I'm going to be the best," but to make that happen, he knew he had to work harder than anyone else. When he was just 12 years old, Ronaldo made a huge decision. He left his home and family in Madeira to join Sporting CP, one of Portugal's biggest football clubs. It was a tough choice, but Cristiano believed in his dream more than anything. He moved to Lisbon, far from home, and joined Sporting's youth academy. The academy was tough. Ronaldo was smaller than some of the other boys, but he didn't let that stop him. He trained every single day, pushing his body and mind to the limit. His passion and dedication caught the eye of coaches, and soon, he was training with the older teams. At just 16, Ronaldo got his big break. Sporting's first team noticed his incredible talent and invited him to play in a professional match. It was a huge moment in his life. Cristiano played with all his heart, showcasing his speed, skill, and power. Everyone could see that he was something special. That performance caught the eye of scouts from top clubs around the world. It didn't take long for one of the biggest teams in England, Manchester United, to come knocking. Ronaldo was just 18 years old when he joined the legendary club. It was a dream come true, but the real work was just beginning. At Manchester United, Cristiano faced even tougher competition, but he never backed down. Under the guidance of legendary coach Sir Alex Ferguson, Ronaldo grew into one of the best players in the world. His dribbling, goals, and energy on the field made him a star. He won trophies, broke records, and earned countless awards, including his first Ballon d'Or. But Ronaldo's journey didn't stop there. His dream was to be the best in the world, and he wanted to challenge himself even more. In 2009, he made a record-breaking move to Real Madrid. There, he became a legend, scoring goals like nobody else and winning countless trophies. His rivalry with Lionel Messi became one of the greatest in football history. After 9 unforgettable years at Real Madrid, Ronaldo took on a new challenge, playing for Juventus in Italy. He continued to defy expectations, proving that his talent and hunger for success never faded. But it wasn't just about club football for Ronaldo. He also represented his home country, Portugal. Ronaldo led Portugal to glory, winning the European Championship in 2016 and the Nations League in 2019. It was clear Cristiano Ronaldo was not only a star on the field, but also a symbol of dedication and passion for millions around the world. Through all the highs and lows, Ronaldo's story is one of resilience, hard work, and an unshakable belief in himself. From a young boy playing on the streets of Madeira to becoming one of the greatest footballers the world has ever seen, Cristiano Ronaldo has shown us that with enough dedication, anything is possible. And today, as he continues to break records and inspire millions, his journey is far from over. The dream is still alive. Thanks for watching. Make sure you subscribe and like for more videos.